what's up, everybody? Alright, that's much better. Yo, what's up, everybody? So, I want to give out a shout to Man P. Best school ever. I got out, transferred out. I want to give a shout out to some of my friends, Courtney, William, Joshua, and Diamond. My best friends for life, man. I miss y'all. Peace. My bad. I ain't try to transfer, but things happen, so damn. So like, what y'all been up to? Like, you gotta hit me up on Oval and stuff. You're not doing nothing. Come on, talk to niggas. Damn. I don't know what can I do, man. I'm bored as ever. Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. Look at that. I'm on my field work. Damn, for really on my field work. That's how bored am I. Go to an all-white school now, like, for real, man. All-white school, like, I don't know what to do, like, damn, man. Almost got in a fight today. White boys get hit. Psych. White boys, they stay down. It's like, I don't got nothing against white boys. Me and white boys cool. We go win. Ever since Rosa Parks was on that bus, we winning. I was on that bus too. Saw her, she got up. She just kept on sitting there, man. She didn't want to get up. She just came from work. Her legs were tired as ever. Damn. Motherfuckers, that was me. I would sit my ass down. But like, bitch, come and take me away. I don't care. I'm sitting down in peace. I don't know what to do. Damn. So like, what y'all all been up to? Like, high school? I know my team ain't losing gym yet, right? Alright. That's what's up. So like, what's today? Wednesday? Damn, it's Wednesday. Look at that. I got y'all on YouTube. Look at that time. Oh, I can't see it. Wow, fucking look at that. 12:02. What's such bad time for you little kids to be up? You shouldn't be up. Hope y'all did y'all homework. I don't know what y'all talking about. What's a little kid like this telling y'all to do y'all homework? Stay in school, motherfuckers. Just do that. Damn. Just stay in school. I don't care what you do, stay in school. Even if niggas tell you not to stay in school, stay in school. Even if you get paid for school, stay in school. What? That don't make sense. If you can't stay in school, what? No, just stay in school. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Like, I'm so bored. And I can't go to sleep because I go to an all-white school. And like, I'm about to get in a fight so niggas can know my name. Because right now, niggas like, what? Who the fuck are you? I'm like, who the fuck are you? You tell me, motherfucker. Damn, motherfucker sitting here talking to me. Damn, look at this ugly ass nigga. Not the ass ugly. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. That's anytime you see an ugly ass picture like that, that's what you say. Say, damn. Oh shit, wait. Oh, alright. See an ugly ass nigga like that, you be like, damn. Damn. Oh my god. Damn. That's all ugly ass nigga. Niggas sitting here talking to each other for no comment, for no reason and shit. They just talk on the same pictures for days and hours. Damn, nobody on. Look at that. Wait, let me make sure this shit good. Look at that. I'm on Facebook, but if y'all can't see it, oh, y'all can see it? Alright, look. Look at that. Show you some pictures of myself. Oh yeah, look at this new picture. I uploaded this. Can you see it? Alright. Look at that cute guy. Look at that. Me and my sexy glasses. Oh, sexy. Sex out. Spawner axe all motherfuckers. This one, this was old. Hold on, let me see something. Alright, okay. Alright. So I got one more thing to say, like, I miss y'all all, and I'm probably gonna be back in school on Friday. Just saying hi to all the girls. I'm gonna say the word bitches. Peace. I gotta go. Love you.